Welcome to MyMathYourMath. Today we're going to be talking about growing fast. In other words, exponential growth, right? So the formula we have is y equals b times a to the x, where y is going to be the number of bunnies, x is number of years here. Example. So you start with 20 bunnies. After 5 years, there are 61 bunnies. How many bunnies are there after 10 years? So I have labeled the 2 points that we're using. Point 1 is 0, 20. Point 2 is 5, 61. We will be using point 1 to find what b is, and we will be using point 2 to find what a is. So let's do b first. So 1 tells us that the y equals 20 when the x equals 0. So that's 20 equals b times a to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1, so we can conclude b is equal to 20. I'm going to go ahead and box this really quick because we need this piece of information. So far we have something that looks like this. Y equals 20 a to the x. We still would like to find a. So in order to find a, we use point number 2. We know that 61 is equal to 20 a to the 5th power. We divide both sides by 20 and take a 5th root, and we see a actually ends up equaling 1.25. You can put that into your calculator. 5th root of 61 divided by 20 will be 1.25 for a. So the final equation is going to look like this. Y equals 1.25 raised to the x power is the actual equation for this given scenario that we have about the bunnies. And to finally answer how many bunnies we have after 10 years, all we do is plug in 10 for x. So we get y equals 20 times 1.25 to the 10th power, which is approximately 186 bunnies. And we are rounding. I get like 186.26 or something like that, but we round to the nearest bunny. That's all for growing fast.